Hello, everybody. I got 5 quick cat jokes. All right. When a pregnant cat swallowed a ball of yarn, what was the result? When she gave birth, she had mittens. Why was the cat sitting on top of the computer? So she could keep an eye on the mouse. What game do cats play at parties? Musical chairs. Musical. Why did the cat go to the therapist? Because she had claustrophobia. Why don't cats shop in stores? Because they prefer catalogs. I love cats like many of you do. I'm currently feeding 6, and I enjoy cats. They are wonderful. Dogs and cats are both wonderful. All right, consider liking this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Y'all take care. Bye.